हाय एवरीबॉडी, तो वेलकम हियर। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ दैट हाउ आई गॉट आउट ऑफ माई एंग्जाइटी ट्रैप एंड हाउ एंग्जाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन वाज समथिंग दैट आई डिडंट नो कि वो क्या था, एंड कैसे मैंने कुछ चीज़ें अपनी लाइफ में इम्बाइब की जिससे मेरा जो एंग्जाइटी और स्ट्रेस था वो काफ़ी हद तक डिसअपियर हो गया। कंप्लीटली नहीं, बट काफ़ी हद तक। तो मैं आपके साथ ये जर्नी इसीलिए शेयर कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आई रियलाइज़ कि मेरी तरह काफ़ी लोग होंगे जो इसी सिचुएशन से गुजर रहे होंगे एंड पीपल मे नॉट इवन नो दैट दे आर हैविंग दिस इशू। मैं एक ऐसी पर्सन थी कि जब भी आई यूज्ड टू वॉच ऑल दीज वीडियोज ना, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक what is anxiety, depression, and then I would use the term very loosely, saying that, oh, I am so depressed. Arey, I didn't even know what it really meant till the time it actually happened to me. And let me tell you, it's not a good thing to have in your life. And my heart goes out to all those who are struggling with it. I really hope and pray that they come out of it soon because it's not a joke. ठीक है? So I'm sure आप में से काफ़ी लोग इस वीडियो से रिलेट कर पाएंगे. Also, please know कि I am a certified happiness coach and a soft skills trainer. I would say I'm an educator and I'm just sharing my experiences here. Certain tools are based on the principles of happiness. Anything beyond that, अगर आपको सच्ची में लगता है कि things are going out of hand, please don't consider this as therapy or any of that sort. You will need to seek help of a medical professional. So I'll also tell you about that कि when I got into therapy, I just take you through this journey. Okay? So सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं हमेशा सेल्फ लव के बारे में बात करती हूँ एंड आई ट्रूली फील इट. ठीक है, तो एवरीथिंग दैट आई शेयर इज बेस्ड ऑन प्रायोरिटाइजिंग योर सेल्फ एंड सेल्फ लव. तो ये मेरा एंग्जाइटी का जो फेज है कैसे शुरू हुआ मैं आपको बता दूँ. कुछ साल पहले, वो है लास्ट ईयर, पैंडमिक के समय, एज इट इज आई एम श्योर आप लोग सब समझ रहे होंगे कि कैसे हम सब वी हैव गॉन थ्रू सो मच इन आवर लाइव्स, राइट? वी लॉस्ट आवर लव्ड वंस. इट हैज नॉट बीन इजी. इट हैज टेकन अ टोल ऑन आवर मेंटल हेल्थ, राइट? सो आई वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ देम. बट ठीक है, आई वाज स्टिल मूविंग ऑन विद लाइफ. आई वाज डूइंग स्टफ, वर्किंग, एक्सेट्रा. Then what happened? Last to last year, one of my loved one, which I don't want to share publicly, was not well. Touch wood, he's absolutely fine now. But that time, it was really, really scary because I thought कि what if I lose this person? Okay, that is when this fear and anxiety started. उस समय भी कुछ खास मुझे मतलब मेरे बॉडी में सब सिम्टम्स नहीं शो कर रहे थे. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि आई वॉज बिजी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिम एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन. इवन चाह के भी कुछ लोग जो बहुत फैमिली के क्लोज थे वो हमें हेल्प नहीं कर पा रहे थे क्योंकि उनका फिर अपना भी काम होता है. सो आई वॉज वन ऑफ द की पर्सन हु वॉज रनिंग अप एंड डाउन, ओके, इन द हॉस्पिटल. Forgot to take care of myself. Now the person was okay, but I am still carrying those feelings and fear and emotion without my knowledge. Then क्या हुआ? एक और very close loved one came from a different country to my house. All of a sudden she was also not well. It was so painful for me to see all that, but again because सब लोग equally सबने contribute किया, but मैं कह सकती हूँ कि मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा किया क्योंकि I was able to go up and down. I'm not saying कि I'm great this that or not that way, but I had to be there, okay? So I went. Now all of this had been going on. One day me and my sister planned to go for a holiday. ठीक है, because she said कि चल यार बहुत हो गया, you need a break. तो हमने बोला ठीक है, let's go to Goa. 5th September को मेरा टिकट बुक हुआ था उसके साथ जाने के लिए. All of a sudden on 3rd night I was sleeping and my facial muscles started twitching. Like literally this was going up, it was coming down, and my shivering issue too was always there, okay? Like I shiver, not trembling as such, but I shiver. So it was always there. Then what happened? I was like, okay, what is happening? Without my consent, my muscles are like moving around here and there. And then I said, okay, fine, but then it's not stopping. I got so scared and it's happening only on the left side of my body. So I thought I've got a stroke, okay? I was really, really terrified. Next day, I went to the hospital. The doctor said that this is nothing but anxiety and fear and stress. But I was still not convinced. I was like, I don't know. I mean, does it really cause this much trouble? Do you think I can go to Goa with my sister And he said, of course you can. And God has blessed me with a lot of doctor friends, so I was eating everybody's head that I hope it's sure, it's okay, are you sure that can I go and all that. They were like, yeah, go. We landed in Goa the next day. What am I seeing? ये और भी ज़्यादा मेरा फेशियल मसल ट्विच हो रहा है एंड यू नो डर लग रहा है. अगर मैं बीच के पास जहाँ पे पहले मुझे इतना मज़ा आता था, मुझे लग रहा है कि वो वेव्स मेरे पास आ रही हैं एंड यू नो आई डोंट नो मुझे कुछ हो ना जाए. खाना खा रही हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है इसमें कुछ मिला हुआ है. पता नहीं अजीब अजीब से सेंसेशंस एंड फीलिंग्स एंड थॉट्स. कैसे भी करके हम लोग वापस आ गए बैंगलोर. देन मेरी बहन ने कहा सौम्या कि लेट्स प्रीपोन आवर टिकट बिफोर वी केम टू बैंगलोर. आई सेड चल छोड़ो यार, कैसे भी 1 or 2 days are left, let's just enjoy and go. But I would really like to thank my sister because poor thing, she supported me throughout those 4-5 days. Had she been slightly rude or mean, saying that what is this Neha, you're spoiling my holiday, I think I would have further gone down. But such a loving sister, touch wood, I'm blessed. So then क्या हुआ, हम लोग वापस आ गए. देन धीरे धीरे ये फियर इतना बढ़ता गया. लाइक मुझे लगने लगा कि यू नो कुछ भी छोटा सा दर्द हो, I would think the worst, the most pessimistic person. Like maybe this issue with my body, that issue with my body. I don't know, it was weird. Then my dad and mom, if they call me that, you know, they're not feeling well, it's a regular flu, okay? But I would feel that, my God, I don't know what happened to them. I mean, will we all live? And then when I go out to change my mood, see people eating food, I feel, oh, they're all eating so much of junk food. What if something happens to them? I just stopped my happiness coaching, my workshops, everything, because I felt, अरे भाई यहाँ पे मैं खुद ही हैप्पी नहीं हूँ, मैं क्या दूसरों को जाके हैप्पी करूँगी. I just put a stop to everything, okay? In this moment is when I realized expressing yourself, having your family around to support you is so important, because you don't even know what you're going through, what is happening. I mean, imagine somebody who's such a social butterfly and all of a sudden not able to talk to people, always having shivering, and my body would shake. It's not just my facial thing. Even at night when I sleep, moment I would lie down, you know, my shoulders will start shrugging and I keep shivering, my lips will go that side. On top of that, my tension is this, that people will think I'm nervous, though I'm not. I'm such a confident person. Then to explain to them, how do I explain to them? My God, so many thoughts in my head. मैं पूरी तरह से I was gone, okay? That is how it all started. Now, why I'm sharing all of this, giving you a background, is now I want to tell you कि ऐसे क्या 3 important चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने प्रैक्टिस की, जो मैंने लर्न किया, वो ज़रूरी है कि आप भी माइंड में रखें. एंड नॉट जस्ट एंजाइटी डिप्रेशन के लिए, इवन जब आप एक डिफिकल्ट फेज थ्रू जा रहे हैं ना, दैट टाइम यू शुड keep these things in mind. Honestly, my dear friends, I would want you all to live a powerful life, okay? That's the reason I'm grateful to YouTube as well, that it's given us a platform like this to share. I didn't even know about it, and now that I've found out that I can connect with people, I'm just loving it. And I'm here talking about myself, sharing my experiences, only and only to enable you to live a happy life like how I am. Now let me tell you, happiness doesn't mean that it's a tablet that you once take magically for the rest of your life, you're going to be fine. No, it's a process. You will have to practice it every single day. That is when things will start changing for you, okay? Anyway, let me just dive deep into and right into the 3 points. Okay, so let me share the first point and very important tool. Usse pehle I would like to share a story with you, okay? So once what happens, there'll be a boy, let's name him Tinku, okay? So Tinku will be somebody who really believes in God, and he feels that no matter what, God is going to be with him always. Now Tinku was staying in a town where all of a sudden there was a heavy rains that turned into floods. और ये जो टिंकू है वो 4 floors वाले घर में रहता था. तो क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे ये फ्लड का वाटर जो है वो इंक्रीज होने लग गया. So people started helping each other. The boats were sent to get people out of the town. ये टिंकू जो है पहले फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे था, तो कुछ लोग नेबर्स सब जो बोट में जा रहे थे, उन्होंने कहा कि अरे टिंकू जी आ जाइए, बैठ जाइए बोट में, बिकॉज द फ्लड इज इंक्रीजिंग, वी आर हियर टू हेल्प यू, प्लीज कम. ही विल बी लाइक, नहीं, मैं भगवान में भरोसा रखता हूँ, मैं यहीं पे रहूँगा. फिर पानी का जो लेवल है दैट केप्ट इंक्रीजिंग. अच्छा, देन ये टिंकू गया सेकंड फ्लोर पे. सेकंड फ्लोर के पास भी पानी आने लग गया, और फिर जो उसके दोस्त लोग हैं, नेबर्स है, फिर से आगे बोलने के लिए कि आ जाओ टिंकू जी, काफ़ी पानी का जो फोर्स है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ता जा रहा है, तो इट्स वेरी रिस्की. सो दिस टिंकू सेड आई एम गोइंग टू वेट फॉर गॉड टू कम एंड हेल्प मी. देन वो 3rd फ्लोर पे पहुंचा, 4th फ्लोर पे पहुंचा, टिंकू सबसे ऊपर पहुंच गया. ठीक है, देन ये लोग जो है बोल रहे थे टिंकू जी आप आइए, आप 4th फ्लोर पहुंच गए, प्लीज कम. बट टिंकू विल बी लाइक नहीं, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर गॉड. सो फाइनली टिंकू तो went off in the water, and then he reached where God is, and he asked God, I trust you so much, why did you not help me when I needed you? Then God says, my dear Tinku, I kept sending people to help you. I came in the form of that boat guy, I came in the form of the neighbor who was calling you, but you didn't listen to me. So now the point here is that we need to realize people are there to help us. God sends them like angels, and most importantly, we need to allow people to help us. Okay, we cannot do everything on our own. So allowing people into your life to help you is very, very important. We thrive in a community. When all of you come together, things become much easier. Okay, so we don't want to be that tinku in life, right? So let me tell you a little more about allowing people to help you. Okay, now I'm going to take a small break because I'm hungry, and I will come back with the rest of my experience with you. Okay, तो तब तक मैं अपना खाना खा लेती हूँ जल्दी से. मम्मा ने बहुत ही बढ़िया फिश करी बनाया है. मैंने भी कल थोड़ा सा आई मेड बिरयानी. So we as a family will sit, have our lunch, and then I shall get back to you. Hi. Mama is mixing up the biryani. Had some good sambar and amazing fish curry with rice. My tummy was absolutely full, and then I went back to my office room to share with you the rest of the tools. So सबसे पहले मैं आपसे ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि accepting help from others is not easy, and this usually stems from our past experiences, our relationship with attachment with people. So we sort of feel insecure to be vulnerable and open up and accept help from people, allow help from people. How can you overcome this challenge is by doing a lot of inner work और अपना जो प्रीवियस पैटर्न्स है उसे ब्रेक करना. तो इन सब चीज़ों के लिए काफ़ी सारे टूल्स है जो हम सब यूज़ कर सकते हैं. 1000 हैं, बट मैं एक के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी आपसे. So that is to listen to your inner voice, to listen to your inner critic. First, just spend some time. Right now, if you want, you can pause the video और सोचिए कि जब भी कोई आपको हेल्प करने आता है, क्या आप इमीडिएटली उसे एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, या आपको लगता है कि नहीं मैं सब जानता हूँ या जानती हूँ. ठीक है, या आपको लगता है कि वो शायद पता नहीं मुझे नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. प्लीज टेक अ मोमेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये सब आपके पास से आ रहा है. ठीक है, इट्स नॉट एन ईजी जॉब, इट विल टेक टाइम, इट विल टेक ईयर्स, बट यू विल गेट देयर. ठीक है, तो एक बात समझ लीजिए कि आपके इनर वॉइस को थोड़ी देर के लिए आप पहले एक्नॉलेज करें, क्योंकि वो एक बच्चे की जैसा होता है. यू नो हाउ दे थ्रो टैंट्रम्स, एंड देन इफ यू डोंट गिव देम अ चॉकलेट, इफ दे वांट अ चॉकलेट, दे जस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ गो क्रेजी, राइट? सो इनर वॉइस, योर इनर क्रिटिक इज लाइक दैट. द मोमेंट यू ट्राई टू जस्ट शट इट डाउन ना, it will start coming back more and more. So accept it, say thank you for sharing. Like I would say thank you for sharing, Sneha. But can we work on this together to make it something different and more empowering? Yes, we can. So that is how you do this, okay? The second thing is this thought I heard from some very good speaker, I'm forgetting the name. So she had said, only when we have an open heart to receive, we will have an open heart to give. So similarly, when we unknowingly attach judgment to receiving help, knowingly or unknowingly, we attach judgment to giving help. And that is not the way to be happy, right? I think by giving and receiving help, you are inviting healthy relationships in your life, which in turn will create that vibe for you to be happy. Like I'm a great believer in the law of vibration. So like attracts like. The moment you send out good energy, you get good energy, right? So keep that in mind. Very simple, very effective. So I did that. I started trusting people around me. This was a very important part of my healing. Second one is I did not do any meditation, because at that time when people tell you meditate, breathe in, breathe out, it sounds totally senseless. Though I'm not saying meditation is not powerful, it is very powerful, but it's not easy to meditate when you're going through hell. Instead, what I learned was a very powerful technique called progressive muscle relaxation, which I used to blindly share sometimes with some of my participants. Though I knew the effect of it, I really didn't know, because I'm a coach now. So I happiness coach. I conduct workshops and retreats. So I really didn't know that how you really feel truly, how it really helps. Maybe I would have done here and there, on and off. But जब मेरे को I went through anxiety and the time came when my therapist suggested that I have to do it, I realized it is equivalent to a tablet that you're taking. Again, disclaimer, please don't consider this as a tablet. But for me, I'm saying personally, I really felt so nice and so relaxed doing this exercise. So this is the other technique that really helped me, that is progressive muscle relaxation. I will put a video maybe next week with the entire process. It's on my online Joypedia also. It's like an online school, so you can go and see it there also. Okay, now last but not the least was going to this wonderful place called Amaha Health, which is in Bangalore. I think they are in Mumbai also. So my husband spoke to somebody, his colleague or someone like that, they suggested. So initially I was like, why are you going and talking about my health to everybody else? But then I was like, Sneha, you need to receive help. Be open to receiving help. I was like, okay, fine. I apologize. Please forget all that I said. And he was so supportive, let me tell you. He was like, I understand. He is somebody who never knew what all of this is, but he understood my journey and he was there to support. So I was like, okay, let's try Amaha. So there it gave me so much of clarity. I went to the psychiatrist. Psychiatrists give you the strength, your prescriptions, tablets, to really know that you can come out of it. Therapy is a whole new game, whole new level. It's okay to go to therapists. And sometimes people who are educating others and they are in this field, they tend to feel guilty to go ahead and take help from others. They feel that, oh, I'm supposed to know everything. No, nothing like that. We are not God. It's okay to take care of yourself also. It's okay to be a learner. Unlearn, relearn, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so I went there and I met this lovely therapist. I cannot really mention her name here, but I will mention the link to Amaha. Do consider going there. It is expensive at times, we may feel, but if you just take even 1 or 2 sessions, in my case for example, it was very helpful. So you don't need anybody who will just shut you down and say that you're fine and forget it. You need someone who can hear you, understand you. So this really has helped me. It's been almost 1.5 years now. I must say I have almost been okay. I'm still having certain bouts of trembling, shaking and all that, but it's okay. I've understood that it is a part of my body structure and it will take some time to settle down. Being okay with what's going on and accepting it is very important. So yeah, that was it. I wanted to just share with you these 3 things, and I really hope that nobody ever gets into this phase. But if there is something you're going through, speak about it, trust people, and know that you will have somebody to guide you. Someone will appear in front of you and you will be fine. Just trust. Also, if you have any questions that you'd like to ask me, please do comment below and I will answer them. Okay, so take care of yourself. Keep coming back to my channel to see a lot of happy experiences. And being a coach, I really like to share my huge paid classes as mini classes here. More than a class, I think this platform is for me to share my personal life out here and to create a positive, happy lifestyle for every one of you. So take care and I will see you soon. Bye. Love and only love.